Watch him, he's on the edge of the carpet. That will make him wobble a little bit. Okay?
Alright. Ready, Philip?
There you go. Hey, come on.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh. Alright, we eat that, and then it's time to walk. No. 1, 2. Uh-oh. No. Trying to figure out an easier way.
Everyone tries to figure out easier ways.
No. What? No. I know.
Come on, Philip. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Get up and let's do this, babe.
Don't make him walk so far. Let it be a little bit. Okay?
Come on, babe. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yay! Yay! Good job, Pip.